I disappeared, to return unstoppable. No warning, no goodbye, just silence. People thought I quit. They were wrong. You know this feeling. You work hard. Nothing moves. Bills wait. Dreams feel far. Everyone says, be patient. But patience doesn't pay tonight. You scroll. You compare. You feel behind. You ask yourself, why them, not me? And slowly, you start doubting your own name. Life didn't break me in one hit. It chipped me, daily. Plans failed, not once, not twice, many times. I gave my best, got nothing back. Rejections came quietly, emails with no replies, calls never returned. People stopped checking in, some smiled differently. I heard the tone, I felt the shift. At night the room felt heavy, dark, silent. Doubt sat next to me. It spoke softly. That's the dangerous part. It said, maybe this is it. Maybe you're not special. Maybe you waited too long. I listened. For a while, I believed it. I questioned my effort, my choices, my worth. Every failure replayed in my head. I felt small, invisible, so I disappeared. Not to run, but to breathe. No posts, no updates, no noise, just me. And the mirror. One morning, nothing felt different. But I stood up anyway. No motivation, no fire, just discipline. I stopped waiting to feel ready. I worked in silence, early mornings. Before excuses woke up, late nights. When doubts were loud, I learned alone, failed alone, improved alone. No applause, no support, just progress. Slow, painful, but real. Pain became fuel. Failure became a teacher. I didn't chase attention. I chased growth. Listen carefully. You don't need to announce your grind. Silence builds strength. While others talk, you train. While others watch, you move. While others doubt, you prepare. Struggle is not punishment, it's pressure. Pressure creates power. Pain is not the enemy. Comfort is. Every lonely night is shaping you. Every failure is sharpening you. The world respects results, not excuses. And results come quietly. One day they notice, not because you spoke, but because you changed. The comeback doesn't announce itself, it arrives. Subscribe for more motivation.